What it do, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. You see the pickups I got behind me. Couple of below retail grabs I was able to get when I was out in Vegas for Labor Day weekend. Of course, we're way past Labor Day weekend. This is the earliest I've been able to get to them because I had a couple of other pickups I wanted to get to that basically just got bumped to the front of the line. So just want to get into these real quick. We got one from the Puma outlet out in Vegas. And of course, anybody who follows my videos, you know, anytime I go to Vegas, man, I always make it a point to stop at the Nike outlet because you never know what new release may not be doing too good. And they'll just kick right to the outlet center. So you just never know what you'll be able to grab. Both of these are some below retail pickups. The Puma is a really below retail pickup. I guess they're clearing stock or whatever it is they're doing. But we're going to get into the both of them, man. So stay tuned. Labor Day weekend pickups that I'm just now able to get to, but we gonna get into them, man. Let's go. And like I said, we're gonna get into the two pickups I was able to grab when I was out in Vegas on Labor Day. You know, without too much of the rigmarole, we just gonna jump right into them, take them right off of the stack. Now, these I was able to pick up at the Puma outlet. There may be a little footage when I was in the Puma outlet. The Nike outlet, not so much because it was like super crowded in there being Labor Day weekend. You know, everybody's in there trying to shop. They pretty much, I mean, it's an outlet, so they already got deals, but it's Labor Day, so, you know, they had a couple of extra % off and whatnot. So, of course, you know, everybody was going to flock to the Nike outlet. That's just the way it is, to try to catch an extra little deal off. So, like I said, again, we got the receipt in there. I don't actually know what the name of these are because this is actually, not even to get it at, this is actually my first ever Puma pickup because I don't have any Pumas in my collection at all. So this will actually be the first, so which is a cool thing. Like I said, I mean, I'm not really into Pumas, but they are comfortable. So this is the first. So what the description on the receipt is, the Puma Rebound Layup SL, and I was able to grab these out the door for $28.39. $28.39. That's not bad. Now, one of the reasons why I like this shoe when I picked it up, because it has, like, of course, that Jordan 1 feel to it, but it's a Puma. I like the little logo down there. Got the little Puma down there. And like I said, it's just and I tried it on, it's a super comfortable shoe. It has that, as you see on the inside, that soft foam in there. If more than anything, it wasn't even about the actual shoe. These were just super comfortable. And for basically 20 some odd dollars, why not? You know what I mean? So you still got that classic kind of, you know, that original sneaker form. You got your basic color, your black and white, so it's pretty much gonna be able to go with anything. So I just thought that was kind of dope. So, and with this being, it's crazy because this is a size 14. It feels like it would be a half size bigger. It feels like it's about, you know, you don't really see 14 and a half, but that's what it technically feels like. So like I said, it's a dope shoe. You know, you got your bottoms pretty regular, nothing really out of the ordinary about it, but it's definitely a dope shoe in my opinion because it's just classic. And of course it has its own little hang ring on there about the soft foam they have in there, but that'll definitely get taken off. But like I said, man, for just a pretty much just a regular, you know, classic kind of shoe, it'll basically go with anything, just being black and white. So, you know, you couldn't pass it, like I said, 20 bucks, man. Like I said, I mean, well, 28, but, you know, let's be honest, that's pretty much little to nothing for, you know, a nice quality shoe. Like I said, the little upper on it, nice and soft, not too bad. So, you know, you can't beat that, man. Just want to share that, man. Always stop in them outlets, man, because you just never know. Like I said, this is just a shoe, you know, you just throw on, just going somewhere real quick, movie night, something like that. You know, not too bad, like I said, for 20 bucks. You know what I mean? In my opinion, anyway. So now, to me, I mean, that's a steal already for 28 bucks, but to these being the price they were below retail, definitely a steal for me, especially for what they came out as. And these. All right. Now, the receipt for these, I believe, hold on, the original price on these were $160. And of course, the name on these is the Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Black varsity red sail, whatever color sail is. Now, this shoe was $160. I was able to knock it out of the store and walk out of it for 140, 128. So that's not bad. I'm gonna get into this one, put these receipts and stuff down. And here you go. We got the Jordan. I believe this was the Sports Illustrated. So, I mean, it was pretty nice. I actually wanted it, you know, because of the whole multicolored on the swoosh. And then, of course, you know, you got the Star is Born on the inside of it. On the inside of those. And like I said, I know you guys have pretty much seen these when they first dropped. Everybody did their review. My point of showing them is because always go to those outlets, like I said. Because, I mean, like I said, for the price I paid for this, way under retail. And I've heard they dropped even more since, you know, I'm doing this review kind of late since, you know, had other stuff going. But for the most part, man, it's a pretty dope shoe to me, in my opinion, you know. So as you pull this out, you got the little inside color, a little blue, little size 14. So yeah, these will definitely get some run, you know, especially, oh, that leather is soft too. Oh yeah, and I've even seen people be able to change this Nike swoosh with all the multicolors in them. Me personally, I'm not gonna get into all that. I'm gonna keep them how they are. Love the way this leather feel on the tongue. But yeah, so those are my pickups. These, like I said, got them super for the low. Definitely below retail at the outlets. And you know, if you don't notice anything about my Vegas videos, man, I'm always going to an outlet. I'm always going to look for a sale. I'm always going to look for something to cop. So these were my cops from Labor Day weekend. And today, I mean, I think I pretty much hit a win. Pretty much got a $20, $25 shoe. Then, actually, it's kind of funny because I'm talking about Jordan 1. Then you got these pretty much in the same mold, you know what I mean? If you just pretty much look at them. It's crazy how, you know, you can have name and hype behind one and literally another shoe that literally looks just like it, but one to sell for hundreds of dollars more and one won't, basically. So just something to think about when you're buying these shoes. Because look, this is basically, I'm not going to say the same shoe because material-wise, of course, you know, one is going to be more premium and one isn't, but I mean, if you literally look at them side by side, it's kind of funny because I never pulled them out at the same time and just looked at them. But, I mean, it's the same make. I mean, it's literally the same shoe, basically. I mean, in style-wise and like, look-wise. But, I mean, you know, quality speaks volumes, man. I guess that's just what it is. You know, that name right there goes a long way with people, man. So, but like I said, that's a whole nother video and it's up to get into. These are the pickups, man, that I was able to grab Labor Day weekend. 20-some-odd to still about 100 something, but way below the 160 that I was able to get it for. So I'm happy with that. You know what I'm saying? So one will probably get more run than the other, but this one will probably go a whole lot further than the other, you know, because you never just want to wear out your J's and just wear them like that. But I just see I got a lot to go through. Well, if you pan down, you'll see the lot. Yeah, but with that being said, man, I just wanted to share that with y'all. Stay going to them outlets, man, because them outlets stay buzzing. Just wanted to share what I was able to pick up. Stay tuned. I got something big coming up this week. It's Saturday right now. Of course, I'm still watching my football games. But got something big coming up for this weekend, actually. And if everything goes the way it's supposed to go, it'll be definitely another vlog jumping off. So stay tuned for that, man. Just wanted to show y'all these quick little pickups I was able to get. Definitely got more kicks, more fitteds coming, but just wanted to share these because I didn't have time to share them before. So stay with your boy, man. Like I said, man, we got a lot more jumping off. I got a lot more to review. Got another Hat Club pickup that I got to pick up. Then actually I got another Hat Club order that's actually on the way. They had a couple new, well, they stay dropping, but they had 2 drops that I just had to have. So those will be on the way, hopefully sooner than later. Because like I said, this weekend, I got a little short in-town trip coming up. But I definitely want to share with y'all the trip that I got jumping off. So just stay tuned for that, man. I'm glad y'all still rocking with your boy. I'm going to get this up as soon as I can get it up. I hope y'all enjoy it. Let me know down below. Let me know down below some of the retail you was able to grab, some of your biggest deals and steals you was able to get on some J's or just found in the outlet, you know, out your way. So let me know about that. I'm going to go on and hop out of here, man. I done held y'all up long enough. This your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. I hope y'all enjoy. Hit me in the comments. Let me know something. You know I try to get back to everybody outside of that. Let me know what you think about the pickups, man. And I'm going to see y'all on the next one that I got coming up this weekend. Stay tuned for that vlog, man. It's going to be something. Trust me. I'm out, man.